Is it safe for kids to unclog a toilet themselves depends on their age, maturity, and direct adult supervision. For older children who understand instructions, we can teach safe plunging technique by first having them put on disposable gloves and apron or old clothes to keep splashes off skin and clothing. Show them how to position the plunger so it seals around the drain and to push and pull with steady, controlled strokes rather than rapid, violent motions that cause splashing. Explain that they must never reach into the bowl with their hands and that if water appears to be rising toward the rim, they should stop and call for help immediately. Teach them to try several times, pausing to check progress, because persistence often clears a blockage that a single attempt will not. If there is evidence of a foreign object such as toys, paper towels, or sanitary products, instruct them to stop and notify an adult who can remove the item with tools or by calling a plumber. Always have them wash hands thoroughly afterward, even when gloves were used, and dispose of gloves and any contaminated materials in a sealed bag. Common mistakes include pushing too hard, which causes splashing and may spread contaminants. Correct this by emphasizing steady, gentle pressure and keeping the plunger rim sealed to the drain. Another issue is attempting to reach into the bowl to fish out an object which risks cuts and exposure. Address this by insisting on a strict no-hands rule and telling them to get an adult who can use appropriate tools. A third problem is giving up after one try, which can leave a partial blockage that gets worse later. Encourage repeated measured attempts and show how to pause and reassess so the child learns persistence without increasing risk. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners and contractors so families can find local help when a job is beyond what a child should handle, and our discussion community lets parents share tips and ask questions about teaching safe home maintenance. We help contractors find work by giving them visibility to homeowners seeking services and by providing a place where practical advice and task experience are shared.